and welcome to Coastal Experts. We are so pleased to have with us today Bryant Dunn. Bryant is the new owner of McCalls HVAC right here in the Savannah area. And one of the things that you bring to the table is you are a building analyst. That is a certified building analyst. Tell us what that means.
That's right, Laura. It's a designation through BPI, Building Performance Institute, that entails some training and testing of buildings and homes so that you can achieve that certification.
And that matters to a homeowner when you come in to assess for heating and air because?
Well, we'll take a whole house approach. We won't just look at one thing like the machinery. We like to think of the house as the system, not just the machinery, but really there's three things in the home that we really assess, and that's the air conditioning equipment, the duct system, and the envelope of the home itself. Those three things are the three legs of the stool that we need to assess when we come into the home to make quality recommendations.
So what are some of the issues facing us here in the Coastal Empire and Low Country with regards to our heating and air system?
Well, one of the biggest challenges we have is dealing with the amount of moisture that we have in our air and the humidity that we deal with here. Pretty much like the northern states would deal with cold, we have to deal with the humidity. That is our extreme here.
And what are some of the issues if we have too much moisture?
Well, there's durability issues and there are health issues. Moisture obviously leads to molds and mildews, which we have to be very concerned with, especially as our houses have gotten tighter. So ventilation in the home is very important, and dealing with the moisture levels in the home via our air conditioning systems.
So what does McCalls do to help with the solution if I have a moisture issue?
We'll come into the home and assess the home, which entails an inspection in these hard to reach areas that homeowners never see. We will do diagnostic testing to find the source of the moisture. The moisture usually rides in on air currents from the outside. The moisture, we live in a moist environment. The moisture comes into the home via air and leakage in the home. So tightening up the home is a big deal for us. And we've got diagnostic testing that shows us where this leakage occurs, and we're able to then go and seal it up.
Okay, so that should solve the issue. Now, one of the things that McCall offers is a maintenance agreement for your home, for your heating and air system. Why is that important?
Well, not only to keep the systems, the machinery operating in spec, but these guys, our maintenance technicians, will get into areas that the homeowners will never see on a regular basis. And our insulations degrade over time. These moisture issues occur. It's good to have somebody up in these areas of the home to inspect for signs of moisture and mold. And the best way to do that is to have that system cleaned and checked twice a year and have the guy getting up there just inspecting and looking around for these issues.
Right, because the whole goal is to prevent the problem from the moisture anyway, as you talk about, not just to treat the symptoms, but to actually get a solution to the root of the problem.
That's right, Laura, the root cause, that's what we look for. You can clean it up, you can clean up mold and mildew with some bleach, but it's going to come right back. We've got to seal the home against the intrusion of moisture.
If you have a question for Bryant with McCalls HVAC about your heating and air conditioning system in your home, or a question for any of our local experts, go to WSAV.com, click on Coastal Experts, and submit your questions.